Look at that. Looks like 3 drones to me. Just sitting there. I'm driving down the freeway. Whew, it reeks of herb right now too. Wow, look at that. I don't know what they are, but I need to pull over. I want to go down here and see what's up. So I can get a clear shot. Oh, now the one's moving. Okay. Let's see what's up. I guess we've forgotten about all the drones and all that stuff several months ago, right? Let's go over here. My neighborhood's to the right, but I'm gonna go left. There's an open field out here and I'll be able to see the sky. Nice clear shot of whatever's over there. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's go look. Guess I better turn my blinkers on. All right. Let's go check it out. I mean, I guess it could be planes. I don't know. Of course, it's not going to focus, right? So the one went over. Let me get out of this. So the one went over there. Moved over there, and there's those two. That's more close to what I'm seeing. Oh, geez Louise. And the one over there. Whoever's coming up on me right now is going to think I'm nuts or something. Oh, now there's 3 over there. Fascinating. I mean, that thing is, it could be a helicopter far off, I guess. Maybe there's some police exercise. Maybe they're searching for somebody. Who knows? Wow. Don't know. That other, and that one's way over there. He moved all the way over there. There's 2 actually. See him? One there, one there. We're being invaded. Who knows?